Hey folks, welcome you all to a new video. This is CA Ganesh Bharadwaj. So, as I mentioned you all earlier, I have come up with a big announcement in this video, and as many of you guys guessed it right, so the announcement is that I am going to start my own academy, and our academy goes by the name CostFin Academy, right? So this is going to be our logo, and this is the name of our academy, as I just told you. And the tagline says, "Nurturing minds, cultivating wisdom." So every single thing here has a logic behind it, just like the subjects that we see that I handle, costing and FM. So I'll explain all these things in a while, but this has been on cards for a very long period of time. I've been wanting to start this so that I can have an exclusive space wherein all the resources that I create will be available to students. So I've been trying to do this for a very long time, and at last we have almost reached there. So our website and app will go live in the next week. So I will just share more details about it. But the first thing, yes, why this name, sir? CostFin. Obviously, because of the subjects that I handle, costing and financial management, right? And the logo, why we have done it like this is because here you have this brain kind of a symbol, half brain and half bulb. So bulb stands for wisdom, and brain, obviously, it stands for intelligence, right? So what we've done is actually we did a little bit research in this, because this is something that most of us know. In our human body, left side of the brain controls the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain controls the left side of the body. So that is the reason why we have interchanged the colors like this. So whatever is the color that is there on the left side, we have put it on the right side of the body, and the color on the right side is being put on the left side of the body. So we just planned something creative, and I hope it is creative. So now, what is this all about? So what is this academy you're saying? So what is this all about? So this is an exclusive space created for CA and CMA students to access lectures, updates, and contents created by myself, Ganesh Bharadwaj. And all these things are going to be 100% in English, and they are going to be on the subjects costing and financial management, right? So we're doing this so that you can easily, it helps you to ace your exams with ease. And one very important thing, as of now, I've planned only for my subjects. So it's not like I'm not floating an academy for all the papers and all. So this is going to be only my subjects as of now. So I don't have plans for any other subjects as of now, but let us see as it comes. But as of now, it's going to be only costing and FM that I handle, right? So now, guys, I just want to share a very important reason, or I would say the motto behind this particular academy, the new initiative that I've started. Now, this is something that I strongly believe in, and I'm sharing this for the very first time with my students. So even if you have attended my lectures earlier, so this is something that I'm sharing with you for the very first time. This is the core principle that I believe in, based on which this entire academy, whatever is the initiative, the CostFin Academy, has stemmed out from. Now, people always remember one thing: knowledge is an accumulation of information, whereas wisdom is knowing how to apply that information in everyday situations, right? While knowledge can get someone a professional degree, wisdom guarantees you not just of a professional degree, but also a successful career ahead. And I am on a mission to provide that wisdom to my students through conceptual teaching. So this is the driving force behind the new initiative, the CostFin Academy, that I've started. So knowledge is basically accumulation of information. If you go to Google, it gives you all the information, right? So now I'm not undermining knowledge, but I'm saying one step above knowledge is something called as wisdom. Knowing how to apply this knowledge in your real day practical scenarios is called as wisdom, and I'm on a mission to provide that wisdom through conceptual teaching. And notably, artificial intelligence cannot replace wisdom, rather it can replace someone knowledgeable. So going forward, just because you know some 100 data, 100 facts, you know a lot of things, doesn't mean that you can have a successful career ahead. Because if you just Google something, it will automatically give you the answers for that. But the real crux happens where it happens in when you know how to apply this knowledge in your real day situations. So if you have the right wisdom, exams will automatically, you will be able to automatically clear your exams, and over and above that, you will also be able to build a successful career out of it. So that is the main objective that is the main objective for this particular academy that I plan to start now. And that is the reason for this particular tagline, nurturing minds and cultivating wisdom. So always remember, it's not just about knowledge. Take that little extra mile and think for yourself. Automatically, you will build a successful career for yourself. And of course, not just that, you will also have a professional degree. It's going to be very easy if you focus on wisdom rather than just simply mugging up things. And this wisdom comes only by conceptual learning. So I strongly believe in conceptual learning. There is no alternative to that. And not just that, it is also a smart way to learn and crack your exams. So if you just mug up in a professional course like CA or CMA, no, you can definitely not, maybe by fluke you can clear the exam, but it does not definitely does not give you a successful career ahead. So the only way out for us here is to learn things conceptually so that you need not take the pain of remembering so many things. You just know it by logic and automatically you can go and write the exam and you can clear it with ease. And not just that, after your exams, when you go for an interview, whether for your articleship or for your employment, so the best thing here is you actually will be able to tell people the reason behind every single thing that you have learned so far. That is a very, very important thing in real day life situations, right? Now, why, sir, why at this point of time, why are you, why this at this point of time you are bringing up this initiative? So why are we making this initiative right now? Now, the current student fraternity has begun to recognize that conceptual learning is a really smart method to clear professional exams and build a successful career ahead. However, they are finding it difficult to access the right resources and guidance at the right time, which leaves them underprepared for their exams. So here, the objective of CostFin Academy is to deliver quality lectures and resources that provide students with the necessary skills to ace their exams and shine in today's world. So this is the logic, this is the reasoning behind this initiative for us right now. And how are we going to do this? Our mission at CostFin Academy is to transform the students from the journey of knowledge into wisdom and help them ace their exams. Our approach focuses on conceptual teaching through crystal clear explanations, real life examples, and logical reasoning, which creates a learning environment that fosters creativity and critical thinking. So it all bogs down to learning things conceptually not by mugging up, but by learning it out of logic. So this will not just help you clear your exam, even after your exam, you will be able to retain a lot of things and tell the world that yes, you deserve to be a chartered accountant or you deserve to be a professional for a simple reason that yes, you know so many things conceptually, you know how to apply things in which scenario. Are you clear with this? Now, a few students have already guessed that this announcement is going to be about me starting up my own academy and all that. So they'd already asked me a few questions. So let me just clear a few commonly asked questions. So is it going to be online or face-to-face? So as of now, it's going to be fully online. So in case I have any face-to-face batches, so there will be an announcement that will be made in advance. So as of now, the plan is for a fully online only. So it's not going to be for the entire, all the subjects of CA and CMA courses. No, as of now, I'm only going to provide the courses for the subjects that I handle. So what are the subjects that I handle, just in case you do not know? So for CA, at the inter level, I handle paper 4, which is cost and management accounting, and paper 6A, which is financial management. Now for CA final, I am planning to start advanced financial management next year. So the details for this I will separately announce, but as of now, I'm planning to definitely start final classes for AFM. I will just let you know when exactly I'm going to start that. Now with respect to CMA, for the intermediate level, I'm handling paper 8 cost accounting and paper 12 management accounting, right? And again, for the final level, I'm planning to start the strategic cost management. That is your costing paper in final level. I'm planning to start it maybe next year. So I will, it's not finalized yet. So the details for that, I will let you know as and when I decide on that, right? And for intermediate, some students have been asking me for financial CMA inter. They have been asking me for financial management also. So that is still in planning stage. But as of now, I am handling the current subjects that I handle in CMA is cost accounting and management accounting, and for CA Inter I'm handling costing and your financial management, right? So these are the subjects that I handle as of now. Now our this CostFin Academy. So how do you access the resources or the lectures? So it's going to be on an app-based model. So we are planning to develop Windows and Android app. Of course, even those who use iOS can also access the lectures. We are also working on that currently, and we are going to have our new website. So the website will go live in the next few days. So once it goes live, I will again come up with a new video on that and how to access, so what you can find in this website. So I will share a detailed video on that. So this is just an announcement video. So I will share a separate video on that as well. And yes, as of now, as I mentioned you, I'm going to handle only my subjects. So it's not going to be an academy for all the subjects and all. So as of now, it's only going to be my subjects. The courses that I'm handling is CA and CMA. And one very important thing for CA Inter, so I have currently planned for regular and fast track courses. Anyways, there is marathon. So marathon will be uploaded on YouTube free of cost. But apart from that, regular and fast track courses are something that I've planned for the 2 papers at the CA intermediate level. So what are these two? What do you mean by regular batch? What do you mean by a fast track batch? So regular batch is basically things we will learn every single concept that is covered in your syllabus in detail in a very, very comprehensive manner. So from the scratch till the end. So this is typically for first time students and also for students who have taken multiple attempts. So they can also watch these lectures. Now, what do you mean by a fast track? Fast track is more to do with exam oriented approach. But even in this fast track, we will not mug up everything. So in this fast track, I will handpick a few concepts inside every single chapter. And from an examination perspective, I will make it so that it acts as a very good revision towards the end. So now, some students I have seen in the past, they felt that after attending the regular course, this fast track is enabling them to revise the subject 1 month before the exam. So some students felt like that. So that is the reason why I'm coming up with a fast track course as well, right? All the pricing and all these details, I will share it very soon in a separate video. But this is the thing that I want to announce with you guys. So yes, so that's about it. So it's going to be a new academy. So cheers to the new beginnings, and thank you guys. Thank you so much for the love and affection that you guys have been showing. And if you feel that you have benefited something out of my teaching, so please feel free to share this to your friends. And of course, if you're new to this, if you're new to my channel, so maybe you can watch a few demo lectures that is already available in our channel, and then you can decide whether or not to actually proceed forward. Right, guys? So that's it from my side today. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much, and bye-bye.